All right, so I have a Husqvarna here. This is a YTH24K48. I'm changing the oil today. I have a whole a kit here I got from Amazon. It has a shiny new air filter, which would be great to replace. It has a oil filter. It has some spark plugs, a fuel filter. I don't know if I'm gonna replace those today, but I'm definitely going to replace the air filter and then the oil filter. But I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this thing. So you lift it up over on the right hand side of the engine, or if you're looking at it from the front, be on the left. There is a yellow connector that you can hook a hose to, and this is 1/2 inch inner diameter, outer diameter is 5/8. So this is just clear vinyl hose. I bought it at Lowe's, I believe. Your mower originally came with one, but I couldn't find mine, so I just got a new one. But that presses on this little yellow connector, and then you can twist. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a twist little lock thing. So you'll twist it and then unlock it, and it'll pull out, and then it'll drain your oil. So then once all your oil is drained, I use the hose to go down into my oil pan down there. So now I'm going to latch it back in there so you can see it pulled out. Now I'm pushing it back in, and then I'm going to turn it, and I might have to reach in there and do it because the hose kind of slips when it's on. After the oil goes through, it's a little slippery. So I'm going to try to kind of turn it and latch it, but again, I only have one hand since I'm holding the camera. All right, so I got it turned and now it's latched on. So now I can remove my hose, and I just wiggle that and my hose comes off. And then there is a little cap that goes on to this to keep the dirt and stuff from coming out or going in there. So this guard has some notches on it, and it slides in these little notches over here. So I had to remove that, but you just pull up on it and it comes off. So if you can't find the yellow little drain thing, it's probably behind this. And also, if you don't know, there's a gear release kind of thing. So if this is pushed in, you're not going to be able to push it. So you want to make sure this is pulled out. And then that allows you to move the mower. You can just push and pull it without having to get in it, start it up, put it into gear, all that stuff. You just need to make sure it's pushed in before you try to mow, or it's not going to go anywhere. It's kind of like a neutral. All right, so over on this side is the oil filter. So I will say that I have a round oil bin to catch the oil. It doesn't fit in there, so if you have a smaller rectangular one, use it. I drained it, but I'm sure some oil's probably still going to come out of this side when I take this off. But all right, so I found a piece of cardboard I just shoved under there. I'm going to catch what I can, and then, you know, is what it is kind of thing. Like I said, I got some cardboard down so it doesn't go on the concrete. But yeah, loosen this, take it off. It should be full of oil, so you're gonna want to lift it up as soon as you remove it because it's got oil all down in there. All right, so I have my new oil filter here. Some people take old oil. I'm gonna use new oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit down in there, not a lot. I don't want to fill it up because it's gonna come out when I turn it on side to attach it. But I just roll it around. Make sure you get some oil. Go around the edge. Go around this seal here. Like I say, you can use new oil. You can use old oil. Whatever. Just make sure that you've got some oil on that seal. Okay, So now we're going to go screw this on to the side of the mower. All right, and then once it gets tight, you just want to tighten it like 3/4 of a turn. You don't want to over tighten it. Take this out now. Served its purpose. All right, so it is installed. Now we are going to put some new oil in it. And according to the label inside here, it tells you exactly how much. 64 ounces, so 2 quarts of oil. And you don't want to overfill it, so you want to make sure you check it. All right, so I'm putting 10W30 in here. Just have a funnel and just going that way. And like I said, it takes 64 ounces, so 2 quarts. The wind is blowing strong today. So I'm going to fill this up, and then we'll be done. Then you'll want to turn it on, let it run for a few minutes just to let all the oil go through the system. Check your oil, make sure you're at a good level, and then if you're good, you're good. They do recommend you change the oil every 50 hours, but I've had this for 12 years, I think, and I have over 500 hours on it. And this might be the 3rd time I've changed the oil, but you know how it is. So they recommend every 50 hours, change the oil. Every 2 oil changes, they recommend changing the filter. So you can, I'd say every 100 hours is good just to do a whole oil change, but that's just me. So hope this helped you out. Like, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks.